Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Firstly, go into Settings and click on Personalization Settings over here. Then tap on Themes section at the top and click on the best theme for you. I will go with Android one. Following that, choose Apply and tap on one of those options in this pop-up. I will go with Use Anyway. As you can see, after that, theme of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!